Hey, good morning, everybody. This is Andy Haas with Raptor Creative, and we're going to be installing some Store Your products today. We're going to be putting up some Okay, we're going to do some audio overdubbing. What we're seeing here is that putting up the workbench brackets that allow the workbench to fold down. So you can see that I've leveled everything off, and now I'm starting to add the fasteners to the shelf holder there, or the workbench holder. And we're moving on to the next one, putting our lines up, making sure that everything's level here, and then assembling it onto the wall using the bracket with the screws that are supplied with the workbench. This is coming along pretty good right now, and you can see that I'm pretty actively putting those brackets on the wall, sweating, trying to get these brackets on. And oh, look, the shelf is in place now. Now we're going to get the second shelf in place, opening up the box, starting to put the lines down where we're going to put the shelf bracket on the wall. It's 16 on center, so we get the studs and making sure that they're all in place. And then here we see one that's already in place, and we've got to go past that outlet there, which is kind of offset for us, but it's looking like it should work out pretty good. The reason that the shelf is at the height that it's at is that I like to work relatively tall on my workbench, and then I've also got some other additional features that are going to be going into this worktop that you'll be seeing in some later images once we're all complete. I'll go back to that. So now we just tested out the shelves, made sure that everything is level on the worktop, and tightening up all the screws, making sure it all works. There we go, and it looks pretty good so far. Now we're going to put up the pegboard, and the pegboard we're putting up a little bit higher than the worktop. And the reason that I'm putting it up higher than the worktop is I want to be able to place these fastener boxes underneath the pegboard so that when I drop the workbench down, the fastener drawers are held in position and everything is pretty tidy up against the wall. So now you see that the pegboards are up on the wall, all four of them in place. Looks really good. I've got a few tools up there already, and I'm digging it. I'm really digging it. It's been great to have Store Your send us these pegboards and worktops. They're going to come in really handy in the workshop. Very sturdy, secure. They hold about 200 pounds, so I like that a lot. And like I said, the storage bins are going to be going in, and you'll see those in the next couple of images that are coming up. Enjoy it. We definitely like it here at Raptor Creative. Hey, so I wanted to show everybody the way that we configured the Store Your pegboards and the Store Your shelves, workbenches, in the Raptor Creative Garage. I wanted to have additional storage for screws and nuts and bolts and fasteners. We do obviously a lot of prototyping, and we do a lot of rebuilding here, so we're always in need of different screws and fasteners. And these were available on Amazon, of course, and you can get them there if you like. We'll leave the link in the video, and they're great. You know, they store a lot of product. The nice thing is that, you know, when we don't want to use the workbench, we can tilt these down and they're out of the way. So now we got extra room to walk around in case we've got a big car in here. And it's a really cool way of setting up your pegboards and your workbench tops. You still have enough room left over to do your work, and you know, to figure out which fasteners we need. And it's a great product, and we love the pegboard. We love the worktops, and you guys should go out and buy them as well. Thank you.